Jump.
Get the door, Mama. Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. Come on, someone help me out. God, I can't reach.
You want Grandma to help you, huh? Yeah.
Oh,
Go
back
get
to
the
the
kitty.
kitty. You want to go bye-bye?
You do, huh? Whoa, careful.
Put your shoes on. Put them on your feet.
Those are Mama's shoes.
Put your shoes on.
Those are Mama's shoes. Where's your shoes?
Okay, no shoes? Let's just go bye-bye?
Careful, you're gonna fall. Careful.
She's standing on her foot.
Look, look, you fell down. You fell down. You fell down. Yeah. Mama. Yeah, that makes good noise, huh? Like a guitar, huh? Yeah. It's not.
No, it's pretty funny. Oh my gosh, she can almost reach.
You're so funny.
Is that how we get outside, Chair?
Yeah. You can't get over? Mom said you had a hard time getting over. You want Grandma to help you? Huh? You want to go by? Huh? Okay, go ahead. Bye. Oh, Key. Key.
Bye. I don't think she's tired.
You noticed? Yes, Grandma finds you so funny. Yeah. Key. Key.
That's typical. Like she's pulling her by her tail now.
Nice.
She's gonna bite you if you pull her hair.
See, you made her go away.
Where'd that kitty go? Where'd that kitty go? She hiding.
Can't sit down on this. What'd you find in there?
Maybe a slinky.
Oh, the pee-pee. Is that what it was?
I heard it, but I didn't think it was in there. Maybe the cat found it.
It is your pee-pee. Yes.